Hello. Thank you for trusting Levu Executives with this search project. As the next steps, you will receive your login credentials for our platform via email. Please ensure they are in your inbox, or check if they may have gone to your spam or junk folder. You can also request access from our team if needed. To access the platform, you can either use the button in the Access email or go directly to levuexecutives.com/login. Once inside, you will see the screen displaying the vacancies we will be working on. On the left side, you can review your company's general information as well as the collaborators. You can even add a new collaborator or manager to your team. Returning to the initial screen, you'll have access to the first scan, which contains the information we gathered during the previous meeting. On the right side, you'll have direct access to the candidate view. Each color indicates the candidate status: yellow for new candidates ready for review, blue for candidates you'd like to schedule an interview with or who have already been interviewed and are still in process, and red for candidates you no longer wish to continue with in the process. Each box represents a deliverable: the resume, the SEC fit report and introduction video, psychometric tests or business case, and the salary and comparison report. The last two columns are for employment references and other additional documents that we will work on during the final stage of the process. You can update the status from the Schedule Interview column to arrange interviews or reject, to remove candidates from consideration. If you need to review anything or something isn't clear, you'll find the Meet with Headhunter button at the top. Here you can schedule a meeting with the responsible team to move forward more quickly. If you have any requests, feel free to contact us through our website or directly at info@levuexecutives.com. We hope we have been helpful. See you soon!